Hey guys, back again with another wise video right here. So I suggest right here. So my title of this video is wise account opening 26. Do this before or do this first or you risk getting rejected instantly. I've used this account and made a lot of accounts here wise, used it for a long time. So here's what the things that I learned and I'll be sharing this to you guys. So what is a wise account? So it is a wise account allows you to send money internationally, holds multiple currency, convert money using the mid-market, receive payments and using local detail supported currencies, and manage everything through the Wise app or website right here. So use your real information, guys. So for the number one thing that I can give you, use your real information. Some people use a not real information, fake names or what, but I suggest sticking it because even a small difference between your account details and your identification documents or ID can slow your down verification. And prepare your ID like passport, driver's license, or national ID. Depending on your country, account activity, additional verification documents may also be required. Before signing up, make sure your ID is valid and not expired. Photos are clear and reliable, and all corners of the documents are visible, guys. And complete your identity verification promptly because Wise operates under financial regulated and must verify customers before providing certain services. Some accounts are verified quickly, while others require self-verification proof of others additional supporting documents. So there. So and then uh, I have my last tip for you guys. Add money only when needed. Opening a personal Wise account itself is generally free, depending on your country and features you want to activate. Wise may ask you to add funds before enabling certain account details or services right here. And common reason application get delayed right here because some people use their nickname or maybe uploading a blurred document using expired IDs. Always check your IDs, guys, because sometimes expired IDs usually get rejected. And there. And can Wise reject application? If you're gonna ask me, yes. It's like banks and international institutions. Wise can decline account that do not meet regulatory requirements or failed identity checks. So my final opinion for you guys, opening a Wise account in 2026 is simple for most users, but please be prepared. Use your legal information. Don't use any nicknames or anything like that. Prepare your ID so whatever is the name of your ID, that should be your legal name that is added right here. And upload a clear document and respond quickly to verification requests. So yeah, there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question, consider the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.